Hello everyone, is your Victrola record player refusing to spin? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I'll show you easy troubleshooting steps to get your turntable moving again. Let's fix it fast and get back to enjoying your music. How to fix Victrola record player won't spin? First, ensure the record player is receiving power. Second, check the drive belt and motor for proper installation or damage replacing if it is necessary. Finally, make sure the record speed is correctly set and that any auto stop feature are disengaged. Why Victrola record player won't spin? Using a vinyl record on a machine designed for 78 RPM shellac records. The brake is engaged. Something is catching or obstructing the platter. The machine may already be fully wound. The spring may be fully wound so it cannot wind anymore. Fix 1. Check the power supply. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into both the wall outlet and the record player. Test the wall socket with another device to confirm it works. If using a surge protector, try plugging the player directly into the wall. Use only the original or manufacturer recommended power adapter. An incompatible adapter can prevent the platter from spinning. Fix 2. Examine the belt and platter. A loose, broken, or misaligned belt will prevent the platter from spinning. Checking the platter ensure it's properly seated and not obstructed. Remove the platter and inspect the drive belt. If the belt is loose, worn, or broken, replace it. Belts are inexpensive and widely available online or at record stores. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for belt replacement. Fix 3. Clean and maintain. Dust and debris can affect performance. Clean the platter, stylus, and surrounding area with a soft cloth and appropriate cleaning solutions. Regularly clean and replace the stylus to ensure proper orientation. Use a clean, lint free cloth to gently remove dust from your record player on a regular basis. Make sure no dust is coating the needle, the stylus, or inside part. A stylus brush can help clean the needle by brushing from back to front. For the wooden cabinet, always wipe in the direction of the wood grain. Use a furniture polish, not an aerosol cleaner, to clean and protect the wood finish. Avoid using too much liquid if needed. Slightly dampen your cloth with polish, then wipe and dry with a clean cloth. Fix 4. Test the motor. Listening for the motor can help diagnose if it's running at all. If it's silent, there may be a power or motor issue. If it's running but the platter isn't spinning, the problem is likely the belt. If the belt is intact but the platter still doesn't spin, listen for the motor running. Place your head above the spin area and listen for any vibration and sound. If the motor is silent or not functioning, you may need to repair or replace the motor. Fix 5. Try reset the recorder. Resetting the record player can resolve electronic glitches that might prevent the motor from spinning. Press and hold the illuminated knob on your turntable for 15 seconds. The knob will flash red during the reset process. Fix 6. Maintaining the right speed knob. The correct speed settings ensures the motor spins the platter at the speed needed for the record. For vintage wind up models, there's a silver dial typically located at the 7 o'clock position, bottom right, that controls the speed. For modern electric models, a speed knob allows you to select the appropriate speed for your record like 33 1 by 3 45 or 78 rpm. Fix 7. Disengage the brake. Only for vintage wind up Victrola phonographs, locate the start or stop lever, often a small silver lever near the platter. Move the lever to the start position to release the brake. If the brake is engaged, the platter will not spin even if the spring is wound. Some models have semi-automatic brakes that need to be positioned correctly before the platter will spin. Fix 8. Use the correct records and needles. Only for vintage wind-up Victrola phonographs, only play 78 rpm shellac records on vintage wind-up Victrola. Using the modern vinyl records can change both the record and the machine. Replace the steel needle after every play to avoid damage to record and the sandbox. Fix 9. Seek professional help. If the player still won't spin, there may be an internal mechanical or electrical fault. Contact Victrola customer support or a qualified technician for further assistance. contact Victorola customer support at 877-483-2497, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. ET, or a qualified technician and provide a required details for further diagnosis and repair. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.